Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I hope you guys all doing great. Sorry I was a little bit late. I was having just some food, so sorry, that's why I was a little bit late. It took a little bit more than expected. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bounds are sale. It's going good. Possibly your stop loss is right here. That's your first support level, then that's your target at 21.14. so that's pretty cool. It's really a lot of pips, guys, so make sure to use a small lot size. This is really volatile. If bound Japanese yen is crazy, you have not seen bounds are. It's super crazy. So look at this, unbelievable. Okay guys, so Euro CAD and bound CAD yesterday was really good. That was impressive and was really good. This is crashing really nice here. See guys, if you make it a little bit bigger, it's going really nice. Okay, that's going really nice. You can see that probably there was a trend, just like trend line right here. That's almost broken, so really we should be in the money soon. It's in profit since I put this. It's in profit already, guys. Okay, so that's a good call. Okay, you probably don't want to trade too much stuff at the same time, but that's a good one. Just gonna close this Australian Japanese yen and stuff. It's too much stuff. And bound yen also. It's pound yen is probably a sell also, but I'm gonna close it. Also Canadian Japanese yen, I'm gonna close this. Euro Japanese yen, I'm gonna close that. Australian, I'm gonna close it. Slow stuff. Let's close the slow stuff. I love USD CAD, so I'm just gonna leave it. USD Japanese yen, it's probably good to understand what's going on, but it's really slow. It's not good in trading. So sorry guys, I'm just gonna look at some of the comments here. Joss was saying no sound, so I hope you guys have a good sound now. Walter is saying no sound also. Sokti saying also New Zealand Canadian is a sell. Still no sound. How can this be? You guys no sound still? Oh, sound is fine. Okay, cool. Okay guys, I just dropped my pop. Okay, now sound is good, so it's good. Bound yen, no, I would not buy bound yen. I would avoid it. Cool. Sound is fine. Okay. Hi Olo. Hey man, how's it going? Hi Ali. Olo, how's it going, bud? Okay guys, so now let's stop this one. Bound dollar, guys, watch bound dollar is probably gonna crash. Okay, so this is just to get some of the entries and stuff. So we're just gonna draw some of, that's really the high. That's the second high, and that's probably about the trend it should go in. Okay, and if you go like this, hit control and just to drag it, you're gonna make a copy of it. If you guys don't know that, okay, that's probably about the channel we want to see in the bound CAD. If it goes further, it may be actually like this. You get that one with this one possibility, but that's stop loss is right here, guys. If you're gonna sell the bound dollar, stop loss is right there. I'm gonna put this line here. That's 1.2633 is your stop loss, and your target is also down here when it's expected to hit this area right there. Okay, that's about your target right here. Come on. Okay, circle not coming. Let's make another one. That's about your target area. Okay guys, so that's about the target area. Don't forget bounds are, we said that's probably a good sell. You guys see that break? This is a strong support. I mean resistance. That was like, look at this one. Probably better to put another color. Black is too bad. Let's make it this gray color. See this one time, 2 times, right? Or 3, 4 times. And here start getting lower highs, sorry. You guys see this? 1, 2, 3, 4 times in, right? Then this is a lower high. That's it. You break the trend line. So that's really good. Where's your stop loss? At the top of this high, the lower high right here. Then that's it. Okay, guys. Gold, I probably sell gold now, guys. If you want to scalp gold, gold is a sell right now, scalping 1732. So you probably can take a sell. Okay, with very small stop loss. We know gold longer term is going up, so any sell we take it, we know it's a scalping and must use a stop loss. So just to let you guys know. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, which is about only $4, and my target $10, 32. So I need 17.25 or something. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's your target should be right here. Okay, guys. Sorry if by the time you get this one the gold dropped already. Sorry about that. Can't control the speed of the fall. Hey, Rain, how's it going? Hey man, good. That's good. Always saying, I think guys you should get the system. And guys, the system is amazing. It's way undervalued. Our system is way undervalued. Okay, so guys. If we go here, bound is really weak against the CAD. So we talked about this yesterday. It's continue. Oh wow, it's continue to fall, right? That see. So guys, this gold trade sell is good, in my opinion, but just use a small stop loss and a small lot size. For the gold sell, guys, you can go take profit at 1705. There is a chance it will go down there, and your stop loss, that's target target at 1705, and your stop loss just at the top of this high. So if it does go back and it hit it, that's it. You know, you have taken a chance to scalp the gold in good time, which is okay. Okay, guys. So it's going really nice. This gold sell is going really nice. Once you're about $8 take profit, if you guys are not scalper kind of intraday, then you should move your stop loss to entry. This has the potential to go to 1705, guys. Okay, 1705 for the gold. Good day, Sam. Hi, Osama. Hey guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if YouTube asks you about the channel, just give it a good feedback or something. So thank you. Please, you guys, if you don't have any question about any currency, you want to look at the analysis or something, go ahead. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go have an overall look at the market. So that's the system for the trend analyzer. You look here, you can see euro dollar, guys, is still a sell, okay? However, recently it did go up a little bit. I think it's gonna come back down. So here, I will not care much about this. My main focus is the 1 hour right here. As long as the 1 hour is still a sell for me, and MA and SAR, those two. This SAR is still giving, start giving a buy here. So I'll be concerned a little bit, but not too much, okay? Because this 4 hour, it means it's making a correction within the 4 hour sell. So the 1 hour is given a buy in the SAR, but the 4 hour is given a sell. What does this mean? It means the long term is a sell, but right now is making a correction. So the 1 hour time frame is given a buy. Okay. So we're good. The daily is a sell and the 4 hour time frame is a sell, so we should not be worried, okay? Not too much. Moving average, then you have the 4 hour time frame is down and the 1 hour is down, so we're good. We know, see, look at this. So it was going up, but right now the 1 minute starts coming down. So good. We want all those three to start being red after 10, 15, 20 minutes. So watch for those top three in the next 1 hour or so. We want them to continue to be red, or to change to be red. That's how kind of you understand the system, guys. This system is unique. If you know how to professionally understand it, you don't even have to look at the chart. I'm serious, you don't have to look at the chart. I can trade any currency pair right here without even looking at the chart. Like anything. Okay? So we'll come back after 10-15 minutes, see if those turn red. Here the pound is still really weak. Canadian is still very strong. I'll just make sure I refresh this one just in case. Okay. So pound cat did crash. If you guys remember the pound cat video yesterday, excuse me, that's probably why one of the reasons we spent much time in the pound cat, because kind of I was forecasting it's gonna crash either yesterday or today or tomorrow, like that. So that was really good. And watch out, you didn't choose pound Australia, pound New Zealand. There is a secret behind this one. Why specifically choose pound Canadian, right? Why not pound dollar? Why not pound Australian? Why not pound New Zealand? Okay, guys. So that's a little bit tricky. Anyway, and that's why also, guys, I told you in the weekly forecast, Canadian is gonna be strong for the next 2 weeks or so. Okay. So that's something to pay attention to. That's really very fine to get to know what currency is gonna be trending in the next, week or something strongly. You don't have to be right all the time, but at least you kind of be close, okay? So really, other than the pound crashing, there is no much movement in the market. Of course, Canadian Japanese yen is going to be going up, but it's not great. Pound cat sell was much better. Even pound Australian and pound New Zealand are picking up now. It's probably sell, but it's too late now, guys. If you sold yesterday, you get a really good price. And you can see the pound here is like a sell. So everything is given a sell. It's crashing so bad. And the Australian was strong. Okay, so if we go to the dollar, which is the master of the market, it's still never moved. Look at the dollar, never moved from this area. Unbelievable. What does this mean? This means it's gonna have a massive break. What would you expect from this? Of course, market makers are gonna give you one strong candle to the upside. Okay, guys, market makers. Then after this strong candle, they're gonna give you one strong candle to the downside, or big move. That's probably what market makers are gonna do. They're gonna make you go long first, then later on it's gonna come down. I don't care. Sorry guys, I mean the opposite. I'm long in dollar. Why I'm saying that? So guys, what I meant is the opposite, okay? Like I'm thinking about euro dollar. Okay, I'm talking about euro dollar, but that's actually the dollar index. I should move this. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we're right here, guys. There is no selling for dollar at all. Never sell this price. Look at this beautiful signal continuously all the way down here. Then it's just making a correction. Even if it's gonna come down, don't sell it. We're gonna only buy the dollar. There is no reason to make the dollar much weaker than what it is already, okay? And the euro and the pound are not gonna get that strong to make the dollar weak. So they're getting weaker, so the dollar should be stronger. I hope this does make sense. But you can see when they come to the trend line, you guys pay attention to this. When they come to the trend line, they tend to spend more time. Look at this. They're spending more time at the trend line. This is a correction and they're collecting more orders. So people bid more. Some people going for buy and some going for sell. So they get to make more money. See, at the trend line, they're spending more time at the trend line. Once it breaks the trend line, that's it. They start making their money. Okay, look at this market maker. Look at the trend line. They're spending much time up and down a little bit. See at this trend line area. Okay. Okay, guys. So I don't think the dollar is too hard to forecast. So I'm long on the dollar for sure, strongly. Okay. So it may, market makers may push one down, so take stop losses out and stuff. But anyway, I'm just gonna buy the dollar. Euro is the sell, guys. You can see this is a correctional up wave, and we have said why this is correctional, right? You can see every high, it comes almost to like 60-70% down. Every high is, if it was going like high like this and coming a little bit tiny bit, then pushing back, you'll know it's a strong uptrend. But because it's making a correction to 60, 70, 80% of the high to the low price, this is a correctional wave. Okay, guys. So this sell, I think, is going to be massive and is going to be really good. When it does start happening, you're going to see the dollar index is going up and the euro crashing. So that's something to keep the eye on. If we go to the pound index, it did crash so bad, guys. Okay, so just like the forecast, I think in the weekly forecast I said that it's gonna crash. That's really nice, guys. Okay, that's beautiful. That's the pound index. So the pound is super weak against everything else. Remember, guys, I don't know if yesterday or in the last weekly forecast I said that Mr. Johnson is thinking that next month is gonna make a deal. But in the EU, they're saying they know by October. So once you get two ideas, there is a conflict. Once you get two opinions, they don't have the same statement, they don't come in agreement even to give the same date, you know, there is something wrong. When something wrong, then the pound is going to be negative. But the moment that you're going to hear that they agreed on something, then this is going to be really, really bullish to the pound. So I warn you guys from trading the pound without stop loss. It can just destroy your account if you don't have a stop loss. So pound, if you're going to get to the trade, probably for the next month or so, is going to be a sell, but you must have a stop loss. Okay. You can see this pound signal was right here, was beautiful, and you guys can see that was strong, you know, and that was a correction wave right here. It was a strong correction wave. That's a huge. And then it did come back down here. That's probably it, guys. You should get out of this pound sell. It's probably gonna go further down, but because you come too far away, just going straight like this. See, when it does happen like this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 candles big like this, it will bounce back. The speed, it would get attention. Once it gets attention, more people are gonna go in the sell. Then the bank is just gonna push it back up. Watch out for something like this. If you move your stop loss to entry, then you're safe. It's okay. Canadian, yeah, it's gonna be a range of market. Frank index is gonna probably go up a little bit because there's going to be a little bit fear, okay? But later on it should come back. When the bounce start reversing back means the stock market is gonna go through a correction. So watch out, guys. We may see the Dow and the DAX start coming back down. See right there. So watch out for something like this. But I will stay long. 26 probably is not good for the Feds to keep it at 26. They want to push it to 27. So I would expect the Feds to come and buy bonds and stock today and equity and everything. So my favorite, of course, you guys, let's talk at SPX. I think we talked yesterday. So I'm just gonna, you guys, if you want to download our trading systems, they're available on our website. Really nice systems. You guys, you can see the beautiful signals. You don't obey. It will give you a buy signal here, continuation buy. It will give you a sell nice here. And you can see the candles. You can see this green candle and all these ones. You can see the trend line. This works like a dynamic support and resistance. So you can move your stop loss to trade a stop loss with the signal. As you go down here, you put your stop loss above right here. Okay. So that's the best place to put your stop loss once you're in good profit, to make sure you get the best out of the trend. Okay, it's really good. Okay guys, so if you want to download it, by all means, it's $249 per 1 year, which is very affordable, and all the updates are free and all the new systems are free. We're also working, guys, in making new systems and updating what we have, and also going to be working in having MT5 probably within a month. So if you guys do have MT5 indicate like MetaTrader, we're gonna start adding stuff for MT5. But I don't recommend, if you have MT4, to switch now at all. Wait a little bit more. At least we made everything, and it's gonna take some time for the developer because he has a lot of work to do for the website. Okay guys, and also in August we're gonna start doing account management, and the signals are gonna be an app. So we're gonna be a little more expansion in the company starting in August. So you guys, I hope this will benefit you guys as well. Then we're gonna be like posting results and stuff like this, you know. So I'm gonna take this off, guys, just to make it simple. Okay, I'm gonna make it really clear. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 4-hour time frame. So just let's put some trend lines like this. You can see this is one trend line here, right? And this is, I think, is too much. Just make it like this. I have to plug my laptop battery. Oh wow, nice. Oh, the gold trade did hit profit, guys. Congratulations, guys, if you get in this gold. It did crash really nice. Unbelievable. Look, you get probably about here or there. That's like, it's probably gonna go further down, guys. Okay, guys. So let's focus on SPX right now, because this is probably going to tell you a lot about the market and what's going on and what we do expect. And I hope this does not make any corrections. I wanted to see it just going straight up. Canadian Japanese yen, it's probably a buy, but it's too late now. Wait a little bit. Yeah, Olo gold crashed, huh? Okay, if you guys got to this gold, don't forget to hit the like button then. Okay, guys. That's probably the max I'm gonna go. Okay, that's the long term. Okay, so if we go back, then if we go sideways, that's probably one level everybody's gonna watch for. I'm gonna just make this a little bit thinner. I'm gonna make it probably no problem, make it blue. Then we'll make another one right here. These are prices that the technical analysis guys are gonna keep watching for, okay? All these prices they're gonna be watching for. Of course, if we go down, but the lower ones, I want to make it different color. So I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker, and I'm gonna make it kind of this color because this is our support. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make this bigger. Bring it here down. So this really how this does look like. For me, this is gonna go up. Okay, guys. So I really think this is gonna break to the upside, and your targets are gonna be here. That's probably the first nice target right there, and that's the second one. You guys, you can see the numbers. That's probably the top one right here, is big one. So we may come halfway to right here now. Okay. Then in New York time, New York session, we like go to 3181, as long as we don't break below this level right here. Okay, guys, that's probably how you do kind of technical analysis. Kind of you see the breakouts and stuff, and if it's a trend and if it's ranging, the angle of the range, the channel of the range, the probability of going back, of going up like this. Okay, guys, so probably we can see a good buy from this or that. In I can tell you, once it breaks the 3150, people are gonna buy like crazy, okay? Because everybody's probably gonna wait for the break up here, break out to the upside, and that's gonna be at 3150. So once this break in the 3150 is gonna fly up fast to this level. Okay, I hope this makes sense. That was the same scenario, just you guys, if you do look at the SPX, it's probably easier to see it this way, I hope so. Nice. SPX is the US 500. SPX is the US 500, guys, okay? Because Alo is asking. And this is the most important indicator worldwide, or in DICE worldwide. So it indicates everything in the market, you know? Nice. Softy is still holding Eurocats since yesterday. That's nice. Pound dollar is crashing, guys. Okay, so if you're in the sell of pound dollar and also euro dollar, watch pound dollar and euro dollar and gold is all crashing, yeah, guys. So you guys, dollar is shining up now. Watch out for this. That's probably a good idea to look at the euro dollar right now and pound dollar. It's probably pound dollar is the best. So I'm just gonna see, guys, pound dollar is really nice. You guys can see the sell right here. You can see the sell is beautiful. System is working really nice. I'm just gonna take this off to make the screen bigger. See, guys, that's really nice, and that's your next target right here. I put the price right here. That's your next target, guys. Okay, 1.23 exactly. So go 1.235, 100 pips from here. Your stop loss is just right there, right here. I remove most of the stuff so you guys can see the screen move better. But in your system, you're probably gonna put a stop loss and gonna be a small line here. Eurocat, guys, also is a good sell. Re-entry signal, okay? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take 5 minutes. So if you guys wanna bring a coffee or something, you're most welcome. So we're still in euro dollar for sure. Okay, guys, 5 minutes, then we take a break, then we come back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I hope you guys got a coffee or something. What is the best system is good for scalping? Aaron is asking. I use ABC for scalping. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, depends on the volatility. Some is inbound dollar sell, good money there, perfect bud. Conda saying hi, hello buddy. You mean GDP? You mean Great British Pound probably, or GDP? Pound yen? Yeah, it's just avoid now. Euro yen also avoid. You guys avoid pound yen and euro yen for now. New Zealand Canadians probably a good sell. Keep it. Walter is asking about the system. Many people of our members here do have the system. So if you guys want to answer him, you're most welcome. Some is asking here. I do have it at the ABC and the app code. The best thing I have come across. Okay, thanks man. It's really nice system, and the price, guys, is extremely affordable. The pound is going down. You guys, if you look at 5 minutes, you're gonna see this is in bigger candles, right? Of course, because if you put the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, you're not gonna see it. But that's the price is dropping like crazy. Look at this. Okay. So if we put the 1-hour time frame with the 4-hour time frame, it's gonna look smaller, but it's crashing. And if you look at the 4 time, we're here. That's why from yesterday I started saying the pound is gonna come back. And even the weekly forecast, I said expect the pound to crash. Okay, guys, that's going really, really nice. So you guys, the pound dollar is going really nice. If you guys want to, yeah, look, it's crashing so bad. It's crashing so bad, you guys. Probably you can see it right here. It's nice. It was beautiful, beautiful crash. You can see the system is amazing, guys. You can make money in this one, and you can make money. This takes emotion away from you guys. You know, you go and back test it. Like you go back like this and go for one. This does not repaint, okay? Whatever is there is there. If this would come back down, this arrow will still stay there, just like this one. See, this one, if you get from here, you would make money. If you wait for the arrow, because the high volatility, you would end up in break even or on the loss. So really, many times you want to take the cloud color change. You don't want to wait for the arrow. It will be too far away, okay? It depends on how aggressive you are and what time frame you're taking. But you guys, you can make money in this one. You can make money in that one, right? Really, let's say even if you're not supposed to take this one because it's a strong uptrend, it didn't break down. Anyway, if you take this one, end up on a loss. Imagine you take this one after. Huge amount of money. You can see this blue color is giving you confidence. It's giving you confidence that you're still good. Then you're too far away from the trend line, okay? So once you come to the trend line, you probably want to take profit or you want to watch it. It depends on what you want to do. This was nice, you know, this was good. See, this is okay also. See this one here, you couple losses. So it's not repaint. If it was repaint, then this arrow will not be there. It will only give the arrow after the fact, but this does not happen. See, our system, they don't repaint. See, this was a stop loss. That was a loss right here. 4 trades in a row are a loss. And maybe each one is 50, 60, 70 pips. So you're gonna get like 200 pips loss here. But look at this one. You know how many pips in this one? That's a small time frame, half an hour, 170 pips. So this actually would be like 20 pips stop loss. It's not a bigger time frame. So there will be like 50 pips stop loss here lost. Look at this one, you can make money in that one, you can make money in this one. So the system is really amazing, guys, amazing. So pound dollar is crashing, which is nothing surprising. We expected this to happen, which is really, really cool. Thanks guys for the likes and support. I really do appreciate you guys' support for the channel. Euro dollar, guys, is really, really good sell in my opinion. I could be wrong, okay? So if something goes wrong and don't get someone is gonna send me a message, you know, out of the nine analysis you did, there was 1 or 2 or 3 wrong like that, then you know what kind of a person this, right, you guys? No one is gonna be 100% or even 90%. If you can get between 70 to 80% good accuracy in the analysis, that's really amazing. Then with management, yes, Andrew, still New Zealand Canadian is a sell, but Pro is gonna be slow. Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian is much better sells. Euro dollar is best to sell probably. It's slow, but it's good sell. We'll sustain about Australian Canadian. Australian Canadian is really slow bear because Australian and Canadian, both of them, they kind of get the Chinese and the oil. So you're gonna find a lot of similarity between them. So they're not gonna be trending. So if you would trade Euro Australian, Euro Canadian, probably would be a good idea. So Australian Canadian in the weekly, yeah, it may be good, but to go 1,000 bips down, you're probably gonna go for like maybe 3 months. Where in something like pound dollar, you can make this in 5 trades within 2-3 weeks. Okay, so our secret in trading is fast volatility in short period of time. So hit and run. You kill the market very quick and you get out. Okay, and I have read an article saying this is the best way right now because the swing trade, they have too much fake breakouts, so they can't really benefit too much. So right now, the hit and run short-term trades is much better than the long-term trades. Okay, when I see good long-term trade like euro dollar, guys, I told you euro dollar, sell it from there. It's gonna come down about 500 pips. Euro dollar does belong to 1.07 area. USD CAD about 2 weeks ago, I told you guys, sell it from 1.41 and leave it for 1.33 or 34. It does belong down there. And here we go, within 1 week only, it did drop 600 pips. So when I spot something undervalued or overvalued, I usually tell you guys in the weekly forecast. So when you see I'm focusing on something, saying this is undervalued or overvalued, or this does not belong here, or this should be there, there's a lot behind this one. There's a lot behind it because the market is manipulated. So kind of try to figure out where is the manipulation, and they overvalue the price or undervalue the price, so they can cheat the people, and they're gonna find a lot of people buying dollar CAD because they're saying uptrend. Of course, the trend is not your friend all the time. Sometimes it's your friend, most of the times it's your friend, but once it's reversing, it's a killer, right? It's not your friend, it's your enemy. So probably, guys, for the bound, if you don't wanna wait for the news, there's a lot of news in the bound, you wanna get out, that's fine, but I don't think so, no, because the Americans and the Feds are trying to boost the dollar, so I would expect the Bank of England are gonna weaken the pound. They're gonna weaken it, right? If you guys come here in the pound, if you come in the pound index, right here, look at this percentage right here. It's only from the months, it's almost even, right? So whatever it did go up, it did come down, okay? So really, it has more room. It can go up to 2% down or 1% down. So we have a lot more room to go down for the pound index. Okay, guys? I hope this makes sense. So the pound is kind of, I'm not gonna say overvalued, but it has more room to go down. You can see it's crashing, just super crash. It's beautiful, beautiful. You guys probably want to take some profit right now to be in the safe side. That's a lot. I would recommend you guys just to close on the bound probably now. It's probably gonna go further down, but if you wanna take some profit and just get out of it. I closed my bound dollar sell. It's probably gonna go further down, but I closed it for now. But I left the euro dollar open. I'm gonna focus more on the euro dollar. I don't like the bound too much. It's very volatile. But bound dollar is really good to trade. It's like euro dollar but has more volatility. Okay guys, let's check what's the trending right now. So I would recommend you guys just to close the bound dollar right now for profit. It's up to you, but it's coming to a support in the 1 hour time frame. It did bounce from this resistance area, so really that's it, and too far away from the cloud. Yes, it can come down and break and continue down, but really it's not the best decision to make to leave it open. Especially if there's news or something like that, right? It's up to you. If you want to close half of the lot size and leave half, it's also your call. We're just giving ideas, guys, and everyone is free in his account to do whatever pleases him. Walter closed. Euro New Zealand is a sell. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the music down when I came back. Sorry, I'm very sorry about this. Here. That's it, I put it down. Okay. So sorry about this. Peter, thank you. Euro New Zealand long term is a sell, but EuroCAD is a better sell than Euro New Zealand. Hi Armin. Yes, coming down. Okay guys, so welcome Shane. Okay guys, so it's still coming down. There's a chance to continue coming down, especially if you look at the 4 hour time frame. See this? But really, how many times it will come, just keep coming like this? See, even if this worst case scenario you get a big candle, it will pull back. So guys, it's that. Yeah, just make sure you move your stop loss to enter. If it does pull back quickly in you, then you don't end up in loss. That's very, very dangerous. Okay, guys, so Bound Cat did crash so bad. We gave the signal yesterday. You guys remember the analysis we made yesterday and all that stuff? It was amazing, amazing, beautiful. We don't get that all the time. This Dodd Frank is probably not worth to open. Nasdaq is coming down. Okay, guys, we can see this is just going as expected. We expect this candle down, then hopefully in New York session it's gonna bounce back up. It can come all the way down or just to this one, but I really believe it's gonna just only come to this one. Also because this level is very similar to that one, so it may just find a support right here because this price, and also it was working like a support in this area right here. See that? Almost same price level. Nice, Sam closed it. Nice dollars, good. You're welcome, Shaheen. Walter, very, very nice. Very good job. Pound dollar closed as well. So Sokti here also closed. Suraj is asking target for Pound Cat. Just to close it, man. Get the best out of it, after this. You guys also, when you have really a basket of trades, when things are going good, just to close all of them if you get good. So take your trades as a basket. Don't look at it as individual trades. Okay? Take them as a basket. So if you open 6 trades, 4 of them going really good and 2 are no good. When you close, don't leave the 2 bad ones. They may end up in a big loss. Okay? Just close 6 of them at the same time. You're gonna have peace of mind. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna have a fresh start. That's it. You're gonna feel relieved. Okay, that's very, very important. Okay, guys, anyone has a question or something? Target for New Zealand Canadian, like go for 120 pips or so. Bound yen, just you guys will have bound news right now, so just avoid the news, right? EuroCAD go like for 1.5050 or so. If you want the chart, I just want to do the oil, guys. Okay, so let's just do the oil. So you have some levels to watch right here. Okay. Euro dollar probably, guys, is gonna crash. So if you want to trade, you guys, if you want to just gonna jump to the euro dollar because that's gonna crash right now. So euro dollar, guys, we can see it crashing with the bound news. Okay. So with the bound news, euro dollar, hopefully. So you guys, just in case if it does go back up and it does reverse, so please trade safe. Use only 1% risk. So I'm gonna type it here, so don't get someone to go crazy over it. Then it hit him. Then this is news trade, guys. This is news trade. I'm gonna say, how come the news in the bound and we're trading euro dollar? Probably, right? Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Also targeting for EuroCAD. So Walter saying no question right now. Okay, so for EuroCAD, let's answer here, Mr. Sokti. So let's go back to the chart. Let's first find the EuroCAD one. So your target is right here, okay? 1.51. So that's your target for EuroCAD, okay? But this may give it one wave up with the news. Maybe, okay, not sure. But then later should come back down here, continue this downtrend. Okay, guys? So guys, pound is still really weak and Japanese yen is weak also. You can see Australian, Canadian here. So this is just a correction for the Japanese yen being weak. Okay. Also Canadian yen is buy right now. Probably, yeah. The stock market should start reversing soon. With New York session after the pound news. New York session, hopefully we can get a nice rally in the SPX. Salam Morton, how are you, bud? Okay guys, I wish I could stay longer with you guys, but really getting tired. So please, if you have any question, type it, so we can try to do the best out of this. For the pound news, so we did get really nice profit before the news. We'll have a negative in the pound, but trading the news is very, very risky. So really, we did catch the fall before the news, which is the market price for the news. So the market did price the pound to fall, and we did catch this fall from yesterday. That's probably one of the reasons also I bought the pound CAD and euro CAD till yesterday. So that was really good, and we got out before the news, so we got to make good money with our systems, and we got out for the risk. Okay, guys. Australian Japanese yen, it's probably wait, don't trade it now. Wait in New York time. If you can see the stock market going up, buy it. If you see the stock market going down, sell it. Yeah, probably the coming news may affect the gold a little bit. Thanks, Walter. Hey guys, I'm gonna try to be coming back in New York session if possible. So we'll try. Okay. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot, and please trade safe. Don't overtrade or take big lots. We continuously have have new trades and stuff, so you can still make money without having to trade so much and so big. Okay guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Please, if any of you guys didn't join us yet and would, hope you come back soon. Okay, and yeah, sure. And if you guys want to download our systems available on our website, www.fxmarketstrategyadmin, the system cost is $249 per year, which is really good. Like very competitive price. And you guys, many of you did try the systems and the services. It's not because it's ours, but it's really good. I use it myself in my personal account and stuff. So you guys are most welcome to check it out if you're interested. The 1-year plan, $249, has 58% discount. So this plan is really good. Also comes with installation and online Zoom meeting. So you guys, every once in a while we make a Zoom meeting and we get many members to attend the meeting like this. So if you're in this 1-year plan, and next time we attend the meeting, we'll get the people together to attend. So it's really good. Okay, guys. Thanks, Morten. Goodbye. Goodbye, Morten. So, guys, also always trade safe. Doesn't matter how hard you work, you can't do it. Right? So if you're really careful about your management and your risk management and lot size and stuff, you're gonna make good all the time. But even if you take risk, maybe this one of the time it's gonna go back. So please make sure you take safe, take small lot size, stay in it. Okay, thanks guys and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.